Welcome to my kitchen, Friday Friendly Kitchen. And before we start, I just want to remind you, if you like the video, please subscribe and like the video and also share with your friends. And today I'm going to show you another simple recipe which is could be called as a summer drink as well, but it's a simple syrup on how to make a simple syrup. This is my own version, and I will show you how to make it. And I also like to say it could be a rose syrup as well. So stay tuned and watch how am I going to do. And so to start off, I have a cup of sugar over here, white sugar, and I have half a cup of water. The ratio is 1 cup to half a cup of water. And to enhance the taste, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. It's not 2, it's just 1. And I'm going to turn on the stove to let it come to a boil. So we'll come back. Hello viewers, you will be wondering what leaf is this? For many of you might know and many of you might not know. And this is called Pandan leaves or screw pine in English. And you can get them in your Asian grocery store, and I'm going to use some of this for my cooking in the future as well. For today with the simple syrup, I'll be using this also. So I'll show you how many I'm going to use. I'm going to use just a few because it's pretty long. So I'm just going to take 2 pieces and maybe a 3. Yep. And I'll come back. Hello viewers, now the syrup is boiling. As you can see, the sugar has already been dissolved, and I'm going to show you another ingredient, and this is a red food coloring which is permitted to use, and you can get them in your grocery store. It's called prima. So I just repeat, it's called prima, and I'm going to just use a little pinch. I'm not using my hands because it's very strong, and I'm using a knife. That's the amount that I'm going to use, and I'm going to stir it, and here we go. So now let it come to a boil a little bit. And the last piece that I'm going to add is the pandan leaves that I've already washed and cleaned up, and I'm going to put them on, mix them a little bit, turn off the stove, and close it. So I'll come back later what I'm going to add later. Hello viewers, and here we go, the simple syrup that we made earlier with the pandan leaves floating in it, and the flavors has already been mixed up with the syrup. And now I'm going to add rose water, which I show you here. You can get them in the grocery store, and I'm going to add some of it, because I used 1 cup of sugar, so I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon. Remember, The syrup has to cool off before you add the rose syrup and mix it up. And it's very useful for many summer drinks, and I will show you in my next videos what are the drinks that is compatible with this syrup. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video first of all, and also do subscribe and share the video with others, and let me know how you think. Leave your comments below. Thank you and have a good one. See you in my next.